Hi there. I'm going to show you how to make a logo using text. Go File, and we want it to be transparent. We use a transparent PNG. We go New. I'm going to select the size that I want, and on Advanced Options here, I'm going to select Fill with Transparency, and you can also add a comment here. I've added a comment in my company logo. Hit OK. And now that we have this, we can select our text tool. We can select the font size. I'm going to make it quite large. I can select the color here as well. I think that's fine. So I'll go ahead and type that in, my logo. I'm going to stay here. No, I'm good. I'm good. Making a video tutorial. Yeah. 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 Yeah, but it's for Bindi, so it's fine. It's just for Bindi. Yeah. So I've got this now. I'm gonna hit enter here, and now that I've got this logo here, I'm going to go to let's see here, layer and layer to image size. It's going to rasterize this layer here. I'm going to trim this down a tiny bit. So I'm using the crop tool here. Hit enter, and I'm going to duplicate this layer up here. Duplicate layer, and I'm going to go to colors and colorize. I'm going to bring the lightness up a bit here. That looks good there. Hit OK, and I'm going to duplicate this again. And I'll go to colors. I'm going to select another color. I'm going to make this a bit green here, and make it a bit lighter. And I'm going to hit OK. So we have two different colors here, and to kind of show the difference between these colors here, I'm going to add a gradient. So I'm going to go to this top layer here. I'm going to go to layer. I'm going to go to mask, add layer mask. That's fine. And then with my layer mask, I've got black and white here. I'm going to create a nice gradient using the blend tool here, the gradient tool. And I'm just going to drag a little gradient on inside of this layer mask. You can see there's a nice blend there now. I'll take this layer and I'll just go to colors, levels. I'm going to just make it a little bit darker here. That's fine. Hit OK. Let's see here. It's not working very well. That's fine. Just close that. And we'll go to our bottom layer and go filters, blur, Gaussian blur. This is going to make a bit of a shadow here. Filters. Let's see where that went to. Filters, blur, Gaussian blur, 5 pixels. Okay. And there's my logo. Maybe trim it just a tiny bit more. That's good. I'll go File, Export as, and I'm going to just put the PNG tag on the end. I put on my desktop here. Call it my logo. And hit export here. I've already exported one. Just leave these settings on default. And that's it. That's a pretty simple process. So hopefully that helps you out. So thank you, and have an awesome day.